What about the brain?
That's a good question, Father. In fact, as we're talking about these emotions, what scientists have come up with, they've come up with the three most harmful emotions. You mentioned them already: anxiety, anger, and depression.
Anxiety, anger,
and depression. And the kind of anger that they're referring to is not that they found out that is the worst. All anger is not the best. But the ones that they are really concerned about is the anger towards another human being.
You can especially the one you know.
Especially the one you know, yes, the one close to you. So the closer the person is to you, and the more angry you are, the more dangerous it is, especially if it's sustained over a period of time. So in answer to your question, how does it affect the brain? Well, again, the brain is the control center of the body. The brain, everything proceeds from the brain. Some people may dispute that, but everything from your heart rate to your digestion, to your bones, to your energy levels, to everything. So what we know is this: when emotions begin to, if the emotions are in good working order, your digestion works better, you're not tense, you are more likely to be happy and joyful, you're more likely to function well at work, you're more likely to focus and concentrate on your schooling. But once there's that strain, sometimes I prefer the word strain as opposed to stress.
Yes.
Because when people talk about stress, they think about something that's way out there, it's really attacking you.
But strain, they can understand.
Strain could be, everything outside may be okay, but you're just not satisfied, or you have some conflicts. It's not stressful in that sense, but there's a strain. It means things are off. And over a period of time, that begins to affect the brain's ability to regulate, to produce the hormones that are needed. As a matter of fact, the parts of the brain that are most affected in depression are the same parts that are responsible for memory and actually for production of new brain cells to replace and repair the old ones. So once you begin to compromise, or once the emotions begin to compromise those centers in the brain, you can see quite easily why a person cannot be effective either at work or at home. That's why, for instance, people who are stressed in a couples, in fact, they find out that simply by regulating and giving and sorting out marital issues, for instance,
makes the person more effective at work.
Makes the person more effective at work. And if they have been looking for a child, in some cases, it comes more easily.
Because their minds are at peace.
See
this passage.
Yes.
If their minds are at peace, the rest of the body and the mind, and the brain, they work perfectly.
Absolutely.